Hello everyone, moving forward to the next one in which we will again learn how to make this awesome one just by paper. We have taken a big piece of square paper and folded it into both halves, and then we have cut it into some halves, and then we will fold it again to make it a star which looks really awesome toy. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are again using some ice cream sticks. We have firstly stick the ice cream sticks together. We have used 4 sticks and then we will draw anything on it, like a watermelon. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will learn how to make this easy one by folding some papers, as you can see from the video. For the beginning, we have taken the paper and folded it from the top side, and then we have taken another small shaped paper to make it a face of a boy. Moving forward to the next one, in which we will again learn how to make these beautiful dragonfly by ice cream sticks and these beautiful wings. We will take a transparent paper to make these wings, and the body of the dragonfly will be made by a ice cream stick. Moving forward to the next one, which is also a really easy one, we have taken a big piece of paper, cut it into some beautiful shape, and then we will convert it as shown in the video. Moving forward to the next one, we will learn how to make this as performing the steps as shown in the video. Thank you for watching the video.